How to log in into TikTok website using TikTok QR code from the mobile application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will guide you how you can log in into TikTok website using the QR code from the mobile application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in tiktok.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in via QR code, tap on the login button at the top right corner. Here you have various options to log in with. Here you have to select the first option, that is use QR code. Click on it. Now a QR code will be displayed in your laptop interface. Here it says scan with your mobile device's camera and confirm login or sign up. Now open up TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From your home page, navigate to bottom right corner. There is your profile icon, tap on it. That's gonna take you to your profile page. From your profile, navigate to top right corner, click or tap on three-line icon. A box will pop up in your interface. From there, select the option My QR. Now, you will see your QR displayed in your mobile device as well. To scan the QR code here, tap on the scan icon at the top right corner. Now you'll be able to scan the QR code using your mobile device's camera. Once you scan the QR code and display here from your mobile application, you'll be directly logged in into your account in the website too. That's it, and that's how you can log in into TikTok website. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.